Northeastern women are not restricted to the four walls of their house. Their voice are important in the decision making of the family. Northeast region is also declared dowry-free region.
Fact be told, there is a community in Northeast called the Khasi tribe in Meghalaya, where the youngest daughter of the family inherits the entire family's property.
Hello everyone, Northeast India, Namaste, and welcome back everyone. So today we are going to check Northeast in general. So previous we were daily reacting to Meghalaya people, that is Shillong. So today we have one suggested video by the title 7 Amazing Things About Northeast India. So we are expecting to know about the different states like Mizoram, Assam, Sikkim, the other 7 states of Northeast. And we know so much about Shillong, that is Meghalaya. And so today is not about music video, and we are going to check it out. So welcome my brother.
My name is Samsona, aka No Nonsense.
Yes sir. So today is with me, and this is Gabs Gabi, guys. Without wasting time, show some love, like this video in case you want to watch more reaction about the Northeast and the reaction for the music. Subscribe, join the African family, and let's start.
When I mention Northeast Indian, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
They are cute.
Fair color.
Eyes.
They are cool, must be.
They are sweet. Bamboo. They have lovely skin.
They are cute.
They're sexy. And they're very soft-hearted too.
They look nice.
Color.
Trustworthy people.
Really like their hair, their skin. They're cool. They have a way of carrying themselves. Best sense of dressing. Yeah.
They are good by nature.
Let me tell you 7 amazing things about Northeast India. Here we go. Northeast Indians are very rich traditionally and culturally. According to 1971 census, there are 220 ethnic groups with 220 languages spoken in different parts of Northeast India. In addition to that, each ethnic group has their own culture, attire, folk songs and folklores.
Those people who embrace their culture and they don't forget it. I think they're one of those people.
Mekhla chadar.
Mekhla chadar. What is Mekhla chadar?
This is their, I think their craft is
traditional dress. उनका कल्चर बहुत अच्छा है. मुझे उनका कल्चर पसंद है.
I think their culture is very unique to them.
Although Northeast India constitutes only about 3.7% of the total Indian populations, they have a major contributions in the field of sports. As a child growing up in Northeast, you are naturally motivated to participate in sports from a young age. They believe that sports leads to the overall development of their youth.
On a serious note, यहाँ के लोग इतने अच्छे हैं, जगह इतनी सुंदर है, फिर भी ट्रेडिशनल मीडिया इन्हें क्यों नेग्लेक्ट करता है?
Northeast India, with multiplicity of tribes and culture, is a paradise for musicians and music lovers. This is a region where music, whether devotional, recreational or folk songs, plays an important part in the day-to-day life of the people. It is very common to see musical instruments, whether it be guitar, keyboard, flute or dotora, in almost all the rural and urban homes. Northeast Indians are also a die-hard fan of Western music. No doubt, Shillong is called the rock capital of India.
And they listen to Western music also.
वो लोग बहुत मॉडर्न होते हैं. वो लोग का कपड़ा जो वो लोग पहनते हैं, वो मैंने अच्छे को नहीं देखा है. वो लोग बहुत फैशनेबल होते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. और वो लोग का, लड़की लोगों का हेयर तो मतलब बोलने का नहीं है.
liberal towards women.
The northeastern people are the most liberal people in the country who don't stick too much to the conservative, strict Indian culture. Women in the northeastern region enjoy a higher status compared to the counterparts in the rest of the country. Northeastern women are not restricted to the four walls of their house. Their voice are important in the decision making of the family. Northeast region is also declared dowry-free region.
Fact be told, there is a community in Northeast called the Khasi tribe in Meghalaya where the youngest daughter of the family inherits the entire family's property. There is also a women market in Manipur called the Ima Bazaar, which is the biggest women market in the world.
My dear mainland brothers and sisters, try making friends with Northeast people and they will forever leave a print of memory in your heart. Thanks for watching our channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to learn more amazing stories about Northeast India. See you again in the next video.
You want friends and family, okay? They told us try to make friends from Northeast. So if you want to be our friends, first subscribe to this channel. Join the family. You are our family and our friend at the same time. So it's something amazing to know today. And we just learned it a lot. And what do you actually love from the 7 amazing things here? What do you? They have the culture.
Before I answer your question, if someone asks me what, like,
okay, they said before, what is the first thing that will come into your mind when you hear about the Northeast?
Okay, let me start with number 1. I would say they look like Chinese people.
Yeah.
This is the first.
Actually, this is what people are criticizing them for the physical look.
Yeah.
Even the Indian people, they will tell they are Chinese.
They are Chinese.
Yeah.
This is the first thing that will come on my mind.
Don't get
us wrong.
Don't get us, guys. Like, don't feel bad. We are just telling what we think, and this is actually what most of the people they think, like when they see the Northeast, especially people who don't know about the Northeast, and they will think they are Chinese.
From China.
They will think they are Chinese.
Say Corona, China.
Yeah, like that. So it's okay, guys. We also, as African, we face the same thing. Like when they criticize us, like when they see black person, they call us Negro, nigga. It's okay, you know yourself, so don't let people watch to destroy, to hurt you, guys. It's okay, people will say, even if you look good or bad, still they will speak on you.
Never mind.
This is what we think.
People must talk. Whatever you do, this life people must talk. So never mind.
But for me, like what is the first thing I think about the Northeast? Where I think of Northeast. So because I visit Northeast, like I just think of the beauty of the natural place. They have a lot of waterfalls, the mountain, and their people, like honestly, their people look so civilized.
Yes, they're very peaceful.
Yeah, they look peaceful, civilized. And another thing also, don't get mad. What comes into my mind when I think of Northeast, how short people. Most of them are so short.
I want to say this in the first place.
They are very short.
Yeah, very short.
Yeah, most of them.
Especially they are girls.
Yeah, they're girls.
Like this.
I don't know what is behind that.
No,
maybe
it's
the climate.
It's got
Yeah, there is some biological and some climate, but it's something okay. Every place they are unique in their own way. So it's okay. Nice thing to know about Northeast. Tell us more, guys. Don't get us. Don't feel bad. Tell us more also. What do you think about African? When the first thing you say African, what come into your mind, right? We know the N words is always used for us, the Negro word. It's okay for me. I don't even get hurt. Do you feel bad if someone called you Negro?
Not anymore. Like
Not
before,
anymore.
Before when we were small.
When we were kids, yeah. When I was young, I used to feel bad. When someone from outside tell me Negro, but if he will tell me Negro, I'm cool.
Up, my nigga, bro?
Nigga. I'm so cool with that. It's okay.
It's like
so thank you so much. Like, make sure to subscribe, guys. Love from Africa, and all the best to the Northeast people. And do pray for Manipur. Manipur, guys, there is a lot of fight going on now, and they didn't solve this. It's almost like 6 to 8 months going. So put Manipur in your prayers. All the best for their government and whatever is going on. Thank you, love from
Thank you.
Subscribe, guys.